everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. You probably looking over here like, Key, why do you have a shoe in your bed? Because it's a brand new shoe. I just did a haul on this shoe, and that shoe would not be in my bed had I not did a haul on this shoe. Okay, all right, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about my curl box, honey. So I got a curl box. I am a curl box subscriber now, just because I don't like going out to buy products anymore, and I don't really need hair products because I go get my hair braided at least every 3 months. But I do like to refresh it. So normally if they have a refresher spray or some type of oil in the box, I'll use it. But the rest of the stuff goes to my daughter and my son. And yeah, this is my curl box. So this month's curl box is the beauty checklist. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, that skin, honey. Yes. You better come through, melanated lady. Baby, they got the melanated beauties up in here. I'm loving this. So it says my beauty checklist seems like it's never ending with traveling, photo shoots, late nights, and my little one. It's nice to have products that deliver exactly what I'm looking for. Accomplishing your goals is made easy with ÄtenBodyWorks Papaya Castor Collection. So this is ÄtenBodyWorks. Okay. So let's get into it and see what we got so I can put this stuff up. Hey girlfriend, tell us what you think. Each month we pick a random winner of a secret prize if you tag us with the curl box showing your products and style. So I'm definitely going to do that when I get off of camera. I'm going to take a picture and post it on my Instagram. So yeah. And this is Girlfriend Paradise. Okay, she has okay, this is her website. Bet. Get the Eden app. Okay, so you can get the app and questions and answers. Really dope. Okay, so let's get into this box, honey. First, you have, they always put full-size products in here. Number one, you get your full-size products. I know they say sometimes you get the deluxe or full-size. To me, these are full-size products. Okay, so first you get the scalp cleanser, and it's papaya castor oil. It's a gentle cleanser to exfoliate and nourish the hair and scalp, removes dirt buildup, balances hair, scalp pH. Apply to wet hair, lather on scalp, and hair rinse. So it's like a shampoo without calling it a shampoo. So yeah. Hopefully y'all can see that. The next thing in this box is a foam conditioner. That's different. Okay, it says sulfate-free vitamin blend styling conditioner for smoother, softer hair, reduces frizz, tames flyaways. Generously, oh, you can leave this in your hair. Generously apply on damp hair shaft down to ends. Do not rinse. No mineral oils, no dyes, cruelty-free, made in the USA. Hey, now I like this. This is like a leave-in. And I like that pump. Yes. Okay, so the next thing is a nourishing curl jam. Styling and conditioning moisturizing jelly for textured or curly hair. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully that's focused. Let's open it. Check the consistency. It's pretty thick. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Oh, it smells good. It does have that papaya smell. And this is your conditioning hair dress. Styling hair balm to nourish and strengthen the hair shaft. Smooths hair cuticles, adds shine to dull hair. Apply a small amount to hair and style. Okay, so this is a little thick. Oh, this is like grease. I can oil my scalp with this. Oh, dope. Yes. Definitely will be oiling my scalp. So good, too. Oh, yes. Okay, so the next thing is, hey, a scalp massaging serum. And it says how to use. Apply lightly directly onto scalp. Massage the scalp. Do not rinse. Y'all know I'm finna use this. My hair is braided down for 3 months at a time. And I might use products typically because I don't like to clog my scalp. So my hair is braided up for 3 months. I'll probably use these products maybe 3 times, once a month within the time that it's braided, because my scalp typically doesn't itch. If it does and it starts itching, I typically take a towel and kind of cleanse my scalp that way until it's time for me to take my braids down and get them washed, deep conditioned, get my ends trimmed, and re-braid. So yeah, and if y'all see my hair, y'all know it works. The proof is in the pudding. So I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you, µ. Thank you, ﷺ, for these good products, and they smell good, honey. I'm all the way up for a good smelling product, honey. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I do have a couple of videos coming to you guys really soon. I can't wait to reveal them to you guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, Simply Key will always say you're beautiful because you simply are. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.